Okay. You remember where this camera is. Let's see how this works after what happened last time. And so this. Should have done this bit first. Okay. So, sorry for being away for a while. If people actually watch this. 1 second. Okay, there it goes. That was weird. Okay, so I guess we're starting over then. Yeah, sorry for being away for a while, or at least being inactive. I got focused on an audition. It keeps getting weird that it flicks the screen off. Okay, I got focused on an audition for a voice role, and then after doing the last audio, the last stream, the audio quality, considering I had the printer going and this fan going, was so awful that made me realize I need to try, if I want this to succeed, I need to do a few upgrades to cope with the sound, because that's going to be another thing that I'll be trying to do. I did a few other things, so that's kind of where this came in. I've gotten a few upgrades coming through that if the FedEx figures out how to get it inside the building and then to the truck and then across the country, I'll be working these out a little bit differently. It's a good chance that I'll actually I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it, because just exporting this over to YouTube and my ramblings, I'll have to figure something else out with that. But learning is a useful skill. However, for the sake of brevity, I'm going to actually just kind of recover everything that was in that other video, the other stream, that I did, and yeah, do that with the other half of the helmet, preferably with better audio, which I think this one will have. Let me also go ahead and just turn the fan down a little bit. Okay, that should help a bit. And then I'll port this over to YouTube. Once the other remaining upgrade hopefully eventually arrives, I'll be able to go from there. So, let me start with this. And I pray to God that there's actually audio on this one. Okay. Now comes the fun part. It's another thing I look forward to with this. I need to switch the camera around. Okay. Go. Don't know why I can't get this thing. Okay, that's close enough. And that's the charging. Thank you, Mr. Handy. Okay. Get my little screen mirror there going. Okay, so again, we're going to be doing a lot like this here. Another thing that will be handy with the upgrade that's on its way. But working through... Good Lord, my lighting situation is terrible here. Okay, yeah. Working through something similar to this one, which actually, as it turned out, did work out really well for what I was trying to go with. And I have a nasty feeling that I put my... Oh, no, wait. There we go. Backup shears. So let's see what we got here. Yes. And hello to the one viewer that I currently have. Okay, how did I do it on that one? Nope. Trying to figure out if I want to do it the same way or not. Okay. Okay. Along this crease here. Okay. Okay, that's actually not half bad. It should fit for most of it. Now, comes the fun part. I'm just going to have to kind of position that there. Okay. And bear with me, I need to go get the other super glue. And just to test out a theory here. Okay. Hello? Okay. Hello? Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, jeez. How about now? Okay. Oh, jeez. How about now? Okay, I'm going to have to really work on that. Let me reposition this a little bit. Okay. Hopefully I can figure out how to get this audio to work better. Go ahead and start with this one. Okay. Yep. Okay, 1 second. Hopefully that holds. think I need actual drops on this one. Come on. Go ahead. Stay put. Okay, I'm going to have to try it this way then. Works better on this side. It's not that I can't barely hold this thing together. Come on. Fuck. Whoops. Can't think I can say that on Twitch. It really doesn't help that I can't get this helmet to stay put for the life of me. Okay. What did I do differently with the last one? Okay. Okay, good. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. This worked last time. I'm getting it all over my fingers again. To handle this differently this time. A lot more piecemeal on this one. This is where these upgrades are going to come in a lot handier. But come on. Come on. I do not know why this isn't holding. This is not going anywhere near as well as it's supposed to be doing. I don't have any way of holding this helmet down properly, which is awesome. It's just so weird because this worked on the other one. The heck did I do differently? Let me try here and see if I can get any of it to work. See, it should. I'm just going to do this in lots and lots of little pieces. It's just going to take a whole heck of a lot longer. Jeez. Almost probably been worth. Jeez, I've got it all over. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna rip myself apart on this tonight. Okay, whatever.